So we're at a beautiful, undisclosed location. Like, get into it. Get into it. So right now we're gonna set up the backdrop right here while the light is good, and then we're gonna work with like this area and stuff and get some dope shots. So watch me work. Well, what is going on, y'all? This is Powerfully Page, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. And today's video, we're gonna do a little behind the scenes. So I'm doing a shoot with two siblings, and it's gonna be styled and everything. So I'm just gonna take you behind the scenes and show you what it's like to shoot with your girl. Okay, so right now, we are going to get the backdrop all set up. Allante and Allante are getting dressed, and this is the stylist / creative director of this shoot. Styled by Stilo. Get into it and hire her. Okay? We'll show you the after. Damn bug.
You got action.
Use the other hand, Allante? Yeah. Attila taking down her hair. Lord Jesus.
That me?
All right. Step
That's-
forward one. Allante.
That's where it came from. Oh, we about to have a chat, aren't we?
All right, ready, set, go. Now, boom. I'm gonna have you like facing forward like this, and then Attila, I want you to kind of lean on him after we do the style pose. Yeah. Like that. And then like go straight at you. Good. Put those elbows kind of back a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. Now, you guys look over here.
You want to fight? You want to tussle?